Today, I'm gonna learn how to fly a drone. I have the Mavic Pro Zoom, and I'm gonna try to fly this. This is my first time. Mark's been doing it for a while, so I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna try this out, see what I think, see what we can do, and let's see how this works out.
All right, Mavic 2 Zoom.
Yes.
Front wings go out first, front arms.
Okay.
These roll around like that.
Okay.
And then you just spread these out.
Nice.
So they're nice and even. And they don't have to be perfect because whenever it starts spinning,
It'll do it on its own?
It'll do it on its own.
Okay.
You have to take off
I have to do at least one.
this front piece here.
Oh, yeah.
That comes off. Don't
How
forget
did you
that.
take it off?
Down there like this. All you have to do is just pop it up.
Okay.
Pull it off. Okay.
Easy.
I already have the ND filter on there.
Do I need to change it or anything while I'm out?
No, it's the ND16. That should be good.
Okay. That makes my life easy.
And when you put the SD card in this one still.
Yes, you are correct. It does not have an SD card. Spreading it out. The little knobs are inside. Screw those in. It makes it nice and small so you can put all that stuff inside there, so. Hey now, it makes it pretty compatible. Gotta put my phone in there, but it doesn't put it on, it doesn't go on very well with the case, so I have to take the case off. Nice! Hey, I can put it in the hole.
No, but hold your finger right here because otherwise it pushes through the other side.
Does it?
Yeah, it doesn't work that well.
I can put it in the hole. I got this. Woo!
Got it? All
I
right,
press.
hang on, unlock your phone first.
Don't lock.
Okay.
I need to turn my screen up.
Yep.
Because I can't see.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn it. Put your antennas out, and they go flat out like that.
Woohoo!
Push once and then hold on the second time. All right, and then give it a second and it should launch the app here.
Beep, 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 beep. I feel like I should have some music going with this. It launched! Look at that!
All right, so let's walk over to the drone.
I'm a little nervous. Gotta
And
turn it
then
on,
here's
right?
Yeah, so you turn on the same way you do your controller. So push and then hold the second time. Hold it until the beeps. Okay. All right, and then you want to let it sit until it'll say updating home point. Actually, you want to hit go fly, and then just wait a second. Controller stays down. Turn it left and right. It doesn't make it go left and right, but it turns it left and right. So go ahead and push up. Stop right there. And keep in mind, here's what you have to remember. That it's always facing forward. So this is always go forward from where the camera is at, not from the way you're looking at it, right? So if it's sitting sideways to you, if you push forward, it's going to go to the side, if that makes sense. So
If I go like this, is it going backwards?
Yes, that was backwards. You can see the camera's in the front. And you can always look down at your thing and see which way you're facing, because that's facing forward.
Going for my third battery. drone back together. Gonna put this bad boy on. This should be fun. I got it. It's on there. Ta-da! All done.
All right, so I think she's doing pretty good with it. We'll get a couple more practice runs in before we go on our next trip, so that way she's ready to fly the drone on our cruise. Woohoo! How you feeling?
I feel confident. I like
Do you?
it.
It's good.
Same process with this. I hold
Yep.
and
Hold it and then it'll shut off.
shut down. And then take these guys off and stick them in here.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Not like that. Like this. Nope, not like that either. Oh, there it shows. So go in there like that.
Coming for you.
Oh my God. Hopefully that's in there.
And we're done.
Low battery.
Woo!
Look at that, right before the low battery warning. All right, so that's what we got today,
Yes.
right?
Yes. That was fun. Did you like it?
It was fun. Of course it's
Yes.
fun. I love flying the drone. It's been a little while since I've flown it, so, you know.
I like it.
It did crash. I think what happened over there was that I was right against the ground, and when I come off that dirt, I think it hit the lip of the grass, because I was
Yeah.
trying to go from home plate over the pitcher's mound up over second base.
And
So I was
it
going,
went-
it went boom. So I'll show you that video so you can watch it go goonk right into the ground. All right, well, hopefully you like this video. Just a quick little tutorial for Kelly on how to fly the drone, and she's gonna bring some drone footage when we go on our cruise next month. So if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. We would love it if you'd subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and give us some comments. Let us know what you think. If you want to see more drone footage, if you want to see Kelly flying the drone more, let us know.
Here's
right.
some cranes.
Cranes? All right.
Here's some cranes.
Yep, I do too.
Like, love.
We're out of here.
Peace.